Good morning, everyone. I am Mr. Devesh Singh. Here, I am going to explain this new chapter, Elephant versus Insects. This is a very interesting poem for our little children. Students, you see here, the chapter is Elephants versus Insects. This is a poem where one-sided team is elephant and the second-sided team is insects, and both the team decided to play a football match. We will read this poem to get the concept, the story of this poem, that what happens finally, who is the winner of this game, and how interesting this poem is. But before starting this poem, here is a very interesting line, students. Does size really matter? Does size really matter? क्या साइज लाइफ में स्ट्रगल करने के लिए, कोई गेम जीतने के लिए क्या साइज मैटर करता है स्टूडेंट्स? आई थिंक इट डजेंट मैटर स्टूडेंट्स. साइज मैटर नहीं करता है. यू हैव हर्ड लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज इन योर life, like story of turtle and rabbit, like story of ant and elephant, where the turtle won the race, and in the next story the ant makes senseless to the elephant when she entered in the trunk of the elephant. This all story indicates that the size doesn't matter. Only confidence level, self-formed determination needs to win a game. If you have firm determination, you can win a big game. Okay, students. Now you see here, what happens when elephant and insects play a game of football? Means you have to read the poem to know that who is the winner of the game and what happens here. You see, in the first stanza, the elephants and the insects came out to play a match. In a jungle, the elephants and the insect decided to play a match. So they came out from their house in the jungle to start this match. They trampled in the jungle. Trample, what is the meaning of trample? You see here, trampled means होता है crushed under foot, रौंद देना, कुचल देना. They trampled in the jungle. अब ऑन्ट के बस की बात तो थी ना उस जंगल को रौंदना, बड़ी बड़ी घासों को ख़त्म करना, क्योंकि गेम कैसे स्टार्ट हो सकता था. So the elephant started to take this responsibility, and with their heavy feet the elephants trampled, crushed the jungle's grass till they cleared a little patch, and very soon they cleared all the patch. Now there was not a little patch, and the field was ready to start the match. They scuttled round and trumpeted. Scuttled means students moved quickly. Then the elephants began to move quickly around the field, and trumpeted means the sound of elephant. So हिंदी में बोलते चिघाड़ना. The elephants were extremely happy. They were moving round and round in the field, and they were making the sound very loudly, trumpeting, just glad to be alive. And it was the happiness that was looking very apparent there, until the half-time whistle, when the score was 15-5, and then they played the game, and by and by it was the half-time of the game, and it was the half-time. Then the whistle, when the whistle it was whistled, the score was only 15 and 5. Now, students, you can imagine the score about 15 to 5. You can just imagine that the score 15 was in the favor of elephant and the score 5 was in the favor of insect. This is only an imagination, it has not been described here. Okay, it's only an imagination to see the big size of the players of the team. Okay, now the second stanza. The insects in the second half brought on a substitute. In the first half, the score was 15 and 5. Now, after some time, the second half started, and in the second half, the insects brought on a substitute. Substitute means option. They replace a player as an option, and the replacing player was a modest little centipede. Modest means very ordinary, very simple. Centipede. When you will break this word, you get that centi means 100 and pede means you can say insect or ant. तो 100 legs वाले इंसेक्ट को, चींटी को हम बोलते हैं सेंटीपीड. तो आफ्टर दैट इन द सेकेंड हाफ दे ब्रॉट a substitute, and this substitute was a very simple little centipede. But brother, could he shot? But we can say here to see this story that now he could shoot the football with his leg. He ran around on all his legs beneath the tropic sun. And when the centipede entered in the field after that, without tiring, the centipede was running around the fields, all his legs. And at that time, the sun was extremely hot. The tropic sun means the sun was extremely hot. Beneath the tropic sun means you can say that in the hot sun, the centipede was running. And by the time he had finished, and very soon in the sun, the players had tired, but this centipede had no effect, and it was running more and more to take the ball, and finally, well, the insects, they had won, and finally it was the result that the insects had won the game. This was really a matter of joy for the team of insect, that there was a great difference between the team of insect and elephant. After that, the insects team won the match, and this event shows that here size doesn't really matter. Now students, we see here the last stanza of this poem. Oh, tell us, said the elephants, we are mystified indeed. Then the elephants told the insect that we are extremely puzzled, upset, disturbed to take this matter. We can't understand and to think that why wait until the second half to play the centipede? Elephant asked the insects that if you have a great player centipede, why you wait for second half? Why you didn't bring him in the starting of the game if you have a very nice player like centipede? Why you wait until the second half to play the centipede? This was the question of those elephants. That's easy, cried the insect. Then the insects, as they carried up the cup, the insects were extremely happy, and at that time the cup was in their hand, the winning cup was in their hand, and with the cups they replied that it's very easy to reply you why the centipede was entered in the game in the second half. It's not very difficult, it's an easy matter. And then the insects replied. What was the reply of the insect? He needs an hour to sort his boots and tie his laces. इंसेक्ट्स ने क्या रिप्लाई दिया? सेंटीपीड हैज़ 100 legs and for 100 legs he requires 100 boots and after 100 boots it requires to tie all the laces of those 100 boots. So उसके पास 100 legs हैं, 100 legs के लिए 100 शू की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, फिर वो 100 शू के लेसेस को टाई अप करना पड़ता है, बांधना पड़ता है, इसलिए उसको 1 घंटे की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सो दिस वाज द आंसर ऑफ द इंसेक्ट दैट वी brought this player centipede in the second half when the player centipede was finally ready. Okay students, I hope the chapter will be clear to all of you. It is a very nice poem written by Alan Allberg. Alan Allberg has explained this beautiful poem to provide a very beautiful moral to all the students that in this world size doesn't matter. If you have firm determination, if you have good confidence, you can win a big match, you can face a big struggle. So students, with the moral of this poem, I hope you will also never afraid to see big difficulties before you, because it doesn't matter that the opposition team is very big in size. If you will use your mind, definitely, and if you have a firm determination, you can win the match, you can face any big struggle. Okay, that's okay. Thank you so much.